In this video, we will discuss why pumpkin seeds are important for prostate. Ways to use pumpkin seeds. Welcome to Medical Made Easy. A growing number of people are using pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seed oil as therapies to lessen prostate enlargement. Packed with nutrients, pumpkin seeds have been shown to enhance prostate health. They contain a lot of zinc. Optimal zinc levels are necessary for normal prostate function. Because of this, eating a handful of pumpkin seeds 2 to 3 times a week will help your prostate function better. They might prevent prostate growth. Phytosterol, a protective substance found in pumpkin seeds, may help to minimize prostate growth. They lessen the signs of BPH. Hormone imbalances give rise to BPH. Pumpkin seed oil can help balance hormones by preventing the growth of overstimulated prostate cells. These little but potent seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can aid with everything from heart to health to sleep assistance. They are the ideal snack for men's health. Studies have shown that they are especially beneficial in promoting prostate health and managing the symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia. How, therefore, can they be of use? Numerous nutrients found in pumpkin seeds aid in the reduction of an enlarged prostate. First of all, they contain substances known as phytosterols that are protective and have been shown to help shrink an enlarged prostate. Another reason pumpkin seeds are thought to be beneficial for prostate health is their high zinc level. An important mineral for the treatment of BPH is zinc. Because of its anti-inflammatory qualities, it can not only help in the condition's prevention, but also in the reduction of an enlarged prostate size. Zinc levels in prostatic fluids are low in men with BPH. Consequently, foods and supplements high in zinc, including pumpkin seeds, can help raise these levels and lessen the prostate enlargement. But that's not all. Additionally, it is believed that pumpkin seeds contain compounds that prevent testosterone from being converted into dihydrotestosterone, which is important because excessive dihydrotestosterone can create issues with the prostate. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of essential fatty acids, which have also been shown to help with reducing the enlargement of the prostate. Having problems urinating? Pumpkin seeds can assist with this typical benign prostatic hyperplasia symptom. The diuretic qualities of the seeds facilitate urine flow and ease discomfort in the bladder. Vitamin B and pumpkin seeds. Studies show that when saw palmetto and pumpkin seeds are combined, they may be very helpful for prostate health. For males suffering from BPH, a daily intake of saw palmetto and a little amount of pumpkin seeds to reduce symptoms. Other typical basic therapies for an enlarged prostate include steering clear of specific foods like alcohol, caffeine, chicken, and spicy meals. Arachidonic acid, a substance found in poultry, causes inflammation to rise. Alcohol and caffeine both have diuretic qualities that can lead to infections, irritation, and inflammation. Spicy meals of any kind will irritate the prostate. More physical activity has been linked to a lower risk of BPH and other prostate-related health problems in males, according to research. This does not obligate you to sign up for a gym. To lead a more active lifestyle, just go for a couple weekly walks outside or use the stairs at work. Pumpkin seeds offer a multitude of nutritional benefits, including high levels of antioxidants that reduce inflammation, richness in minerals like zinc, iron, and magnesium, are excellent fiber content, especially when the shells are eaten. The correct way to roast pumpkin seeds is a topic of discussion that varies depending on how much moisture you let the seeds absorb. Here are 3 typical approaches to the roasting process. Method 1. First, boil and soak. To roast the pumpkin seeds, soak them in a bowl of water for the entire night and then make sure they are completely drained before proceeding. Many individuals pre-season their water with salt, but we advise against doing it too frequently for health reasons. Method 2. Just wash and pat dry. This is an excellent last-minute preparation strategy. Just give your seeds a thorough rinse in a sieve before laying them out to dry on a baking sheet or some towels. You are prepared to roast them once they are dry. Method 3. To add sweetness, leave some of the sticky goo in place. To retain some pulp on the seeds, use a less thorough rinse or omit it entirely when using this approach. In this instance, you need to watch carefully during baking because the pulp may burn before the seed does. We suggest toasting your pumpkin seeds in extra virgin olive oil because of its anti-inflammatory qualities. Extra virgin olive oil is very beneficial in the fight against prostate cancer. The flavor will be enhanced by adding salt. So be careful and just add as much as your blood pressure permits. To summarize, prostate issue and other ailments may benefit from the use of pumpkin seeds as a therapeutic or preventive measure before they are widely used as a complementary therapy. More research is required. There is no certainty that eating pumpkin seeds for prostate health would help you, although advantages could appear in a few weeks. The quality of the seeds, how often you eat them, and your health status will all affect the outcome. Do consult with your prescriber before adding pumpkin seeds or pumpkin seed oils in your daily diet. So that's it, folks. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked today's content and found it informative, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and share it with the ones you love. Till next time, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye-bye.